Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a critical topic: how processed foods are harming your intestines and gut health. If you've ever wondered why gut health is such a hot topic in health and wellness circles, or how processed foods play a role in digestive issues, this episode is for you. We'll cover what processed foods are and why they're so damaging, how these foods disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, the long-term consequences for your overall health, and, of course, we'll share tips on how to repair your gut and make healthier food choices. Stick around till the end because I'll share a simple 3-day detox plan to kickstart your journey toward a healthier gut. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are processed foods? They're foods that have been altered in some way during preparation. This includes adding preservatives, artificial flavors, sugars, or unhealthy fats. Examples include packaged snacks like chips and cookies, instant noodles and frozen meals, sugary cereals, and soda and other sugary drinks. The problem? These foods are often stripped of their natural nutrients and loaded with additives that harm your gut. Your gut isn't just a tube for digestion, it's an ecosystem filled with trillions of bacteria, known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria help digest food, produce essential vitamins, protect against harmful pathogens, and regulate your immune system. Processed foods wreak havoc on this delicate balance. How? They feed harmful bacteria and yeast, causing overgrowth, starve beneficial bacteria that thrive on fiber and whole foods, and increase inflammation in the gut lining. The gut lining is like a protective wall, keeping toxins and harmful substances out of your bloodstream. Processed foods, especially those high in sugar and unhealthy fats, can cause inflammation and damage the gut lining, leading to a condition called leaky gut. Leaky gut allows harmful substances to escape into your bloodstream, triggering widespread inflammation. Many processed foods lack the nutrients your body needs to produce digestive enzymes. Without these enzymes, your body struggles to break down food, leading to bloating, gas, and discomfort. Processed foods are often high in refined sugars and artificial sweeteners, which feed harmful bacteria and yeast. This imbalance can cause issues like increased cravings for junk food, bloating and discomfort, and a higher risk of infections like candida overgrowth. Fiber is essential for gut health, feeding beneficial bacteria and promoting regular bowel movements. Unfortunately, processed foods are often stripped of fiber, leading to constipation, reduced diversity of gut bacteria, and long-term digestive disorders. Replace processed snacks with high-fiber options like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. The effects of processed foods on your gut extend far beyond digestion. When the delicate balance of your gut microbiome is disrupted, the consequences ripple through your entire body. Let's dive into these long-term health issues and understand why protecting your gut is crucial. Chronic inflammation caused by processed foods can lead to sustained inflammation in the gut and beyond, which is the foundation for many chronic conditions. For instance, irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is worsened by processed foods that are low in fiber and high in additives, irritating the gut lining and exacerbating symptoms like bloating, cramps, and irregular bowel movements. Inflammatory bowel diseases, such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, can develop or worsen when inflammation becomes chronic. Additionally, autoimmune disorders can arise when the gut barrier is compromised, leading to a leaky gut where toxins and undigested food particles escape into the bloodstream, triggering the immune system to attack its own tissues. This is linked to conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. A weakened immune system is another consequence of poor gut health, as over 70% of your immune cells reside in the gut. A damaged gut weakens the immune system, making your body less capable of fighting off illnesses. This results in increased susceptibility to infections, as a poorly functioning gut microbiome cannot fend off harmful pathogens effectively, leaving you vulnerable to colds, the flu, and other infections. Moreover, chronic inflammation caused by poor gut health slows down recovery from illnesses and injuries, and a disrupted microbiome can make the immune system hypersensitive, leading to allergies and food intolerances. The gut-brain connection highlights the powerful link between your digestive system and mental health. Known as the second brain, your gut influences mood, cognition, and emotional health through the gut-brain axis. Poor gut health impacts the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter essential for mood regulation, with low serotonin levels directly linked to anxiety and depression. An imbalanced gut microbiome can also lead to brain fog, causing difficulty concentrating, memory issues, and sluggish thinking. Furthermore, a compromised gut makes it harder for your body to regulate stress responses, leaving you feeling overwhelmed more easily. Processed foods disrupt the delicate balance of hunger and satiety hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. High sugar and low fiber in processed foods cause insulin spikes, leading to fat storage and metabolic issues. Leptin resistance, caused by chronic inflammation, reduces your body's ability to signal when it's full. Additionally, a diet high in processed foods promotes the growth of bacteria that extract more calories from food, increasing weight gain. An unhealthy microbiome also increases your risk of obesity and related conditions like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Over time, poor gut health can escalate into life-altering conditions. Chronic inflammation and unhealthy microbiota can contribute to cardiovascular diseases. Neurodegenerative disorders, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, are increasingly linked to gut health and chronic inflammation. Furthermore, poor gut health, especially when coupled with chronic inflammation, has been linked to colorectal cancer and other types of malignancies. The damage caused by processed foods isn't irreversible, but it does require mindful changes to repair and protect your gut. Adopting a whole foods diet focused on nutrient-dense, natural foods can help feed beneficial bacteria. Including prebiotics and probiotics by adding fermented foods and fiber-rich options promotes a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. Hydration is essential for proper digestion and flushing toxins from your system. Additionally, reducing stress is crucial, as chronic stress exacerbates gut issues, so incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine is beneficial. Your gut health is central to your overall well-being. By reducing processed foods and focusing on gut-friendly habits, you can prevent long-term health issues, boost immunity, and even improve your mental health. Protect your gut, and it will protect you. Now that we know the damage processed foods cause, let's focus on how to repair your gut. Probiotics, found in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, these add beneficial bacteria to your gut. Prebiotics, foods like garlic, onions, and bananas feed your good gut bacteria. Whole foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains help rebuild gut bacteria diversity and improve digestion. Water is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and flushing out toxins. Eliminate or reduce processed foods, alcohol, and excessive caffeine. These are rich in nutrients that help repair the gut lining. Ready to start your gut health journey? Here's a simple 3-day detox plan to reset your system. Day 1, breakfast, smoothie with spinach, banana, almond milk, and chia seeds. Lunch, quinoa salad with roasted veggies and olive oil dressing. Dinner, grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes. Day 2, breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of flax seeds. Lunch, lentil soup with a side of avocado toast. Dinner, stir-fry with tofu, mixed vegetables, and brown rice. Day 3, breakfast, overnight oats with almond butter and sliced banana. Lunch, chickpea and kale salad with lemon tahini dressing. Dinner, baked chicken with asparagus and quinoa. Don't forget to drink plenty of water and herbal teas throughout the day to support detoxification. Processed foods might be convenient, but their impact on your gut health is far from worth it. By making small changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can protect your gut, improve your overall health, and feel your best every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Comment below with your favorite gut-friendly food or tip. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of your gut, it's the gateway to good health.